So how much rent can you collect?
Whenever you've got an investment property, you want to make sure that you're getting the market rate, that your tenants are paying you the correct rent. You don't want to be getting any less, but you can't be expecting anything more than what a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single lock-up garage townhouse in that area would be going for. So you get your property manager and they will look at the market comparables. So they'll be comparing apples for apples. So they'll be looking at, if you've got a 4-bedroom house in the area, they'll compare another 4-bedroom house, whatever the rent is being collected. Also, what you can do is you can double check and always do your own due diligence. So if the property manager sends you through, hey, I think we could get, $420 a week for this investment property. This is what everyone else is getting. You can go, great, give me, 10 minutes to do my own homework, or however long you need. You can take 2 weeks if you need. Jump on realestate.com and domain and just put in the variables, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, how many car spaces, whether it's established or older property, and look at what the other properties in that specific suburb are going for. Just so you know, for your own peace of mind, so you're double checking, then you'll know straight away after 10 minutes whether or not you're getting the right rent. So make sure you've got your property manager, step 1, and then you can always double check and make sure that you're getting the rent that you need. And that's how you make sure that you're collecting the right rent.